Hi, my name is Ashley Olson, and I'm going to be doing an experiment today using water and ice. So, my experiment today, I have two water bottles that are not open. They were put in the freezer for about 2 hours and 45 minutes, and I decided to do it for that amount of time because that is the time that the people on the video explaining what to do told me to do. So that is what happened. So actually, the first part of the experiment already had happened when I took them out because I had touched the water bottles, and when I touched them, they turned to ice. As you can kind of see, there's a little bit of liquid, but mostly ice. This is this was a type of experiment that I was supposed to show you, but I think it's kind of interesting that when you touch the water, because when I took them out of the fridge, they were kind of liquidy. When you touch it, it went to ice. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Next, I am going to take this bottle or this glass and I'm going to put the water that has more liquid in it into the glass. So this is the amount of liquid I got out of this water bottle. Now in this water bottle, so you can kind of hear, the rest is ice. I guess there's a little more that can come out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my bag of ice and I'm going to I'm actually going to split up this water. I'm going to split up the water into two different glasses so I can use some for the next. So I'm going to pour a little bit of the water in this glass. Okay, so now I'm going to take my ice. I'm going to take kind of some loose, smaller pieces of it, and I'm going to put it in the water, and we are going to see what happens. So the ice is a small piece like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 of them, and I'm going to drop them in. So I don't think this had worked how it was supposed to, because when I saw in the video, when you put the ice in, the water kind of freezed. So I think what maybe I should have done, which we can do here, is what if we put ice in a little glass and then pour the water over top of that? Maybe that would be different. No, I guess it's the same. So it's liquid with the ice. So that one didn't quite work out the way we had wanted it to. But we're going to try one more, and since that one didn't really work out the way we wanted, I don't believe this next one's going to either, because this next one also has to do with ice. So this next one, in the video, they took an ice chunk and had set it in the water, and it just kind of stood there and froze the rest of the water a little bit. So I don't believe that one worked quite as supposed to either. So if I were to do this differently, I think I would really look at the video and maybe see how more carefully how they did it. I thought when I took my notes on how they did it, this is what they did, but I guess I could be wrong. They had said in the video that the stuff they created with the ice, like I had mentioned, that should have happened earlier, that is something that is edible and people can eat it if they want. In the video, it almost looked kind of like a snow cone. And so I believe it's edible just because it's the water and ice, and we consume those pretty much every day. Um, Also with it, if you wanted to make this experiment cool, you could add food coloring to like the ice sculptures, or the not the sculptures, but like the ice made through the glass like they had showed in the video, and that would be something that looks more like a snow cone. So hopefully next time I do this video or this experiment, it will work, but that's what we had to deal with today. Thanks.